Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the party verification in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. So there are new parties in Heartopia. One of them is the Parkour Party, and if you want to throw a Parkour Party, we need to be verified. As you can see, my party blueprint hasn't been verified. So I'm going to show you how we can verify it. I'm going to go to the blueprint menu right here, and I'm going to go to the gameplay blueprint, select the gameplay blueprint and click on the verification and click on start verification, and you're going to practice how your blueprint can be finished. Okay, I'm just making it easy guys, like this, so it can be verified easily. Okay, verification successful, and then we're going to go back, and after the verification is success, we can immediately throw a party, a parkour party especially guys, which has to be verified. And let's go back to the parkour party, and as you can see, all my blueprints have been verified. Okay guys, and that's how we can do party verification for the parkour party in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.